muy caliente. I don't speak Spanish.
I think we can talk.
That's something. Give it up for Debbie. That was great. Yeah. Wild stuff. Two things are true of developers. We are very particular about our tools, but we're also excited to try new things. I'm excited by the fact that we've taken such an open approach here, and you can use Gemini from so many different tools so developers can keep working in the tools that they love.
Yeah, so I don't know about you, Richard, but personally, I've been playing around with Cursor, and it's great. But I love that we're making Gemini available for devs wherever they are, and for getting access to the latest models in Vertex AI Model Garden.
Yeah, and I'm excited to share our latest Gemini model, 2.5 Pro, is now available in Gemini Code Assist for individuals. You can use it right now. Not right now, wait till after. But we've brought even more Gemini to our own developer surfaces. Android Studio now is supported with Gemini Code Assist. It's in preview. This adds Android-specific AI capabilities to Gemini Code Assist. And Gemini in Firebase provides complete AI assistance in the brand new Firebase Studio.
So we know AI is transforming the way that we build software, but the impact of AI extends far beyond the lines of code.
That's right. It is changing how we experience the world around us, like playing or even watching your favorite sport. For me, that is Major League Baseball. Go Padres.
Okay, wait, hold on. So you're saying that AI can finally teach you how to throw a knuckleball?
I'm hopeless, 0% chance. Nothing can help me. But it can revolutionize the way that fans analyze player performance. And the very best part, anyone who is passionate enough to change the game with AI can do that with Google Cloud.
Well, that's why we partner with MLB, who's using Google Cloud to process 25 million data points per game to compute previously inconceivable stats. Using Gemini and Vertex AI, MLB can compare live plays with its massive StatCast dataset in real time and find fresh insights. We wanted to see what the community could build with this data and our AI. So together, we created the Google Cloud MLB Hackathon.
Yeah, we had tons of submissions, but we were thrilled to introduce the grand prize winner here on stage, who will show you how he used Gemini and Vertex AI to actually analyze baseball pitcher performance. So everyone give a really warm welcome to our winner, Jake DiBattista.
Hey everyone. I've always been impressed by how good MLB's motion capture and analytics are. It seems like every detail of every play can now be measured using high-speed cameras. But not everyone has access to that. See, back in college, I was a shot putter, and I used to spend hours watching videos of myself throwing and searching for errors in my technique. There had to be a better way to analyze a throw without the need for high-speed cameras to capture biomechanical data. So I built a fully customizable prompt generator for analyzing a pitch. It only took me 1 week to create this using Gemini API and Google Cloud. Let me show you how I did it. Since every pitcher has different preferences and skill levels, Gemini would need to be able to adapt its analysis depending on the pitch. Let's start with an experienced pitcher with lots of historical data. I'll analyze a video of one of the greatest left-handed baseball pitchers of all time, Clayton Kershaw. I'll analyze his pitching mechanics to take a look at the last pitch he threw in the 7th inning of a near-perfect game. This will show how far off his ideal performance he was at that point in the game. Cool. So we start by pre-processing the video using OpenCV, a computer vision library, and then storing it in Google Cloud. From there, selections are made such as pitch type and game state to pull in MLB data, including Kershaw's profile, into our prompt. Each selection here helps to generate a unique set of system instructions and prompt details tailored to the pitch being analyzed. Finally, this is all sent to the Gemini API. The model indicates Kershaw was throwing his signature curveball with nearly no deviation from his ideal. But this isn't just for the pros. This is a tool for all of us. That's why I added an amateur mode, which uses parameters for less experienced players. Our co-host Richard loves baseball and threw a pitch a few weeks ago. Let's see how he did.
I'm scared.
Are you sure you want to show this to thousands of people, Richard?
No, not at all.
All right, winding up. And,
It's not that bad.
well, you're no Kershaw. I've already generated the results in another tab. Let's go over there and see how we did.
Here we go.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
The major leagues for you, Richard. I don't know.
I'm better at this job.
I think so.
Yeah, maybe don't quit your day job.
Hey,
So you have some potential. Look at what it says. He has to tighten up his arm a little bit and add some leg drive to maximize his power. Here, Gemini uses a different prompting framework for less skilled pitchers. After a little prompt engineering on my end, it's able to quickly adapt from a professional model like Kershaw to an amateur like Richard in a single click, altering the grading rubric accordingly. And what's cool about Gemini is with simple prompts, it can process multiple frames simultaneously, allowing me to analyze the entire motion, not just individual snapshots, giving a much richer understanding of how each part of the pitch contributes to the final outcome. This essentially worked out of the box, meaning I didn't need to implement a custom model or build overly complex data sets. As an athlete and front-end developer, I was shocked that I could build a computer vision application using Gemini by myself in just 1 week. This was built with pitching prospects in mind, so coaches and athletes at any level could help players without the need for high-resolution cameras. Now, it's possible for anyone to have a personalized coach right in their pocket. Thank you.
awesome. All right, give it up for Jake. Congrats again on your hackathon win. We had a ton of submissions. That stood out. If I knew he was going to talk like that, he wouldn't have won.